Focus, focus, focus. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Amanda here. I have a little bit of a haul today, which is something different for my channel. I just threw on this big face because, let's be honest, I've been lounging after packing orders today. So, anyways, I went to Hot Topic. I didn't go to Hot Topic. I went online to Hot Topic and I decided that I needed some more t-shirts because some of mine have been looking raggedy as fuck. So I'm going through my clothes this week and I'm just gonna get rid of anything that looks like super busted and like faded, especially when it comes to graphic tees. I'm wearing one of the shirts now, a Camp Crystal Lake. It's like a crop top. It's like an oversized boxy crop top. I've also already worn two of the other items. So I have this like Frankenstein. It's got like the metal writing at the top. I've worn this. It's super oversized too, like which is nice because half of the time I'm just working anyway. And then I got these ghost face joggers and they have like these tie-dye, like a tie-dye print. It says ghost face. So I already wore those. Gotta go in the laundry. I picked up, so if you guys don't know, I'm a size large XL, or that's how I like to wear my clothes. I'm 5'10" and I wear a size 12 to 14 depending on the clothes. So I got this Silence of the Lambs t-shirt in an XL because I like oversized things, and I like to, when it's summertime, I like to just throw on biker shorts and an oversized tee. What is this? I just took them all out of the wrapper, so I haven't opened everything yet to look at it. Oh, it's another Ghostface tee. It's so cute. In the back it says, do you like scary movies? That one. Oh, let me put all my clean stuff separate. It's like a shit ton of t-shirts. That's pretty much, I think I only got 2 pairs of pants, and one of those were the joggers that I showed you. So I'm really particular about purchasing pants online because, like I said, I'm a pretty tall person and most pants are high waters on me. I did purchase one on a whim. I'm not sure if they're going to be high waters on me, but anyways, I got this Dracula one. It looks like he's on like a tarot card. It says the Emperor. I thought that was super different and cool. Oh, something completely outside of my comfort zone is this tube top thing. But I think I could wear it with like the other joggers, the tie-dye joggers. It's a ghost face like tube top. So I'm excited about giving that a whirl. I never show my stomach, so we shall see. This one is a Frankenstein tee. Again, size XL. He looks like he's on a tarot card. And it says death on it. Frankenstein. I also got these earrings, these little ghost face. They're like dangling. It's got like an ear cuff on this side and just the dangle on this side. I really like those. And then I have the XL Universal Studios Monsters. I used to have this back in the day in a black and white tee. It didn't have color. So it's got all the monsters on there. Love that. Ooh, Hellraiser. The fabric on this one's really nice and soft. So this one's a Hellraiser tee. If you're scared of this stuff, I'm sorry in advance. Well, it's kind of like too late. Oh, actually, look, I got a pair of leggings. What is this? What kind of leggings did I... Oh, another pair of Ghostface leggings. Do you see that he's on there on the side of the leggings? It's like a print on the side. And then it says Ghostface on the other leg. Michael Myers tee. I feel like I have the same image on a bunch of tees, but they're all different. This one just says Halloween. Oh, a jogger. Yeah, these are definitely gonna be short on me. Tall people problems. It's a cargo jogger. It's alright. I'll just wear them like cropped or whatever. I got a size XL just because every single experience I've purchased with pants like this, they've always run a little bit small, or I get some shrinkage when in the wash. So they have like this cool belt thing here, and then they're like split. So one side is like a plaid checker kind of thing, and the other side is black with the alternating pockets on each side. So this side has the black pocket, this one has the plaid pocket, and it's got like the banded ankles. We'll see how that goes. Oh, look, I got another tube top, a Halloween one. So that's kind of nice because I got these specifically because when I'm shooting like content, like paid for content, a lot of the time I don't like my clothing to be showing inside of it. I feel like it just gives much more of a cleaner look, so I could just put on these and then like film that type of content. Oh shit, look at it, I got this like bucket hat. This is so weird for me. I don't know. I actually have to do my hair because I've been lazy and slicking it back. But this Friday the 13th bucket hat, I don't know if it's focusing. There we go. I thought that was so cool. So there's that. There's more. I'm almost done though. And then I got this. Oh, it's like a muscle tee. It's Jack and Sally with the tie-dye, purple tie-dye. It seems like that's like a thing lately. So purple tie-dye muscle tee. And then it looks like I got another pair of joggers. So I got actually 4 pairs of pants. It's the same style as the other joggers, but like cargo joggers, but this is like a red checker. It's like a more of an orangey red. So we'll see how that goes. I like the little belt. The belt detail. There are also no pockets in the back, which I like because sometimes on the cargos they look really raggedy and like wrinkly in the back. So that's nice. Oh, the last tee. Dracula. Classic pick. This goes good with my lipstick today. By the way, this is Minerva, Unearthly Cosmetics Minerva with Gladys. Not Gladys, Ginger in the center. So that's it. I know I don't usually post like outfits, like putting on outfits or trying on outfits. Is my camera not focusing? Okay. But let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. I definitely have some sort of body image issues, and I always have, but maybe if you guys requested enough, I might actually do it. Yeah, anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me. What's your favorite tea that I picked up? Are there any other 30-something-year-olds that actually still purchase from Hot Topic, or I'm the only one? And if you have any other recommendations for spooky clothes, please let me know in the comments down below. If this isn't your aesthetic, but you just wanted to hang out with me, thank you so much for chilling with me. And anyways, I hope you have a stellar day.